So I'm getting the old floor joists replaced. These are the new ones, which you can tell are just Lowe's treated beams, but I am so impressed by the old beams that used to be across it. So we've got about a 15-foot span here, so it's a wide span. And what they had in here that have been here for a long time, I mean at least 150 years, are these old beams. They're full 7 3/4, and the thickness is about 2.5. So they're monsters. And a lot of them were rotted because we're in the spring house that's just open and there's water flowing right there. And it's just, it's wet and they're obviously not treated. Now they've been painted, but not treated. So I'm trying to repurpose some of these and cut them down into essentially 2x4s. And I've got one here that I cut down to about 5 inches wide. But what's just impressive is the strength of the wood. They're just amazing. Look at that. And it's beautiful, solid pine, and has been forever. And it smells really good too. So before treated lumber, here are beams, floor joists that were hanging out here holding a 15-foot span in not ideal conditions. And this wood is absolutely solid. So very interesting.